If I had to rebuild my income in oil and gas industry from zero, this is the exact strategy I would use to get to 1 million naira month. Not by chasing jobs, but by positioning for revenue. Most people approach this industry the wrong way. They focus on employment, but the real money in oil and gas is not jobs. It's the access to opportunities, contracts, and revenue flow. Once you understand that, your entire strategy changes. The first thing I will do is understand where the money actually flows: procurement, vendor contracts, subcontracting, technical services. Because 1 million naira does not come from entry level roles, it comes from proximity to revenue. Next, I will choose a high level entry point, not based on what sounds good, but based on what connects directly to business growth. That would be business development, vendor coordinations, or project support. At this stage, I'm no longer positioning as a job seeker. I'm positioning as someone who can help companies with contracts, increase revenue, or improve operations. That shift alone changes how people engage with you and what they are willing to pay. Then I will use platforms like NIPEX and NUPRC strategically, not just to register, but to understand who is winning, where the gaps are, and where smaller players can enter. That's where real opportunity exists. Then comes relationships, but not random networking. I'll focus on people directly connected to revenue, procurement teams, business development leads, and project managers. And every conversation will be value driven, not need driven. Finally, I will not rely on a single income source. To reach 1 million naira monthly, I will combine a strong salary or retainer, contract based opportunities, and strategic side roles. That's how earners actually operates. The difference between people earning 200K and those earning 1 million is not luck. It's how they think, how they position themselves, and where they focus. If you start approaching your career like a revenue system, you get completely different results. Do well to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell